Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. In the last two videos, we have seen relation between Cartesian and polar coordinate, then sine rule, cosine rule, projection rule, and even we have seen application of sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. Which are the applications? First application is half angle formula, second application is Heron's formula, and third application is Napier's analogies. So prepare the list of all these formulas. All these are the formulas related with our second article, that is solution of triangle. Now using all these results, we are starting example from exercise 3.2. So in the first example, question is to find out Cartesian coordinate of a point whose polar coordinates are given to us. Polar coordinates are given and question is to find out Cartesian coordinate. So we have already proved a relation between polar coordinate and Cartesian coordinate. Using that relation, we are trying to find out Cartesian coordinate using this polar coordinate. So let us try to solve the first example. So in the first example, so what are the coordinate here? So here polar coordinate we are denoting by what? R theta, means this is the value of R. So here R is equals to, means we are solving here first example. In the first example, R is equal to root 2 and theta is equals to, what is the value of theta here? Pi by 4. Once these values are given to us, using relation we are able to convert this polar coordinate into Cartesian coordinate. So therefore x means x coordinate can be find out applying which formula? R cos theta. So remaining part is just to substitute the value of R is how much? Root 2 into cos theta. Theta is given to us pi by 4. So which is equal to root 2, keep it as it is. Cos pi by 4, we know that its value is equal to 1 by root 2. So root 2 will get cancelled and we will get 1. Means value of x is 1, means we can say that x coordinate is 1. So and y is equals to, and y can be find out as what? R sine theta. Now substitute the value of R is equal to root 2 into sine theta, but theta is what here? Pi by 4. So root 2, keep it as it is, sine 45 will be equals to 1 by root 2. After cancelling this root 2, what will get here? 1. So in this way, we have got Cartesian coordinate of a point. So that's why we can say that therefore Cartesian coordinate of point R. What are the Cartesian coordinate? X coordinate is also 1 and y coordinate is also 1. So using these relations, we are able to convert polar coordinate into what? Cartesian coordinate. Now let us try to solve the second example. Observe the second example. In the second example, what is given condition? So here value of R is equals to 4 and value of theta is equals to pi by 2. So therefore x will be equals to, what is the value of x? R cos theta. Replace R by 4, cos theta. Theta I am replacing by what? Pi by 2. Now we are substituting the value of cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means what? 90 degree, and we know that cos 90 is what? 0, and 0 into any number will be equals to 0. In this way we have got the value of x. Using same method, try to find out value of y. What is the formula to find out y? R sine theta. R is how much? 4 into sine theta. Theta is how much? Pi by 2. So 4, keep it as it is. We know that sine 90. What is the value of sine 90? It is equals to 1, and 4 into 1 will be equals to 4. X and y coordinate are known to us. That's why we can say that Cartesian coordinate of point R. So what is the x coordinate? 0 and y coordinate is 4. Using this method, we are able to find out Cartesian coordinate of a point if polar coordinates are given to us. Now see in the example number 3rd, what is the value of R here? R is equals to 3 by 4. And what is the value of theta? 3 pi by 4. So now substitute these values in this relation to find out value of x coordinate. So R I am replacing by 3 by 4 into cos theta. Theta can be replaced by what? 3 pi by 4. So which is equals to 3 by 4, keep it as it is. Now we can observe that 3 pi by 4 means pi by 4 means 45. 45 into 3 means 135. And 135 lies in what? Second quadrant. And we know that second quadrant can be written as pi minus what should be subtracted from pi to get 3 pi by 4? 3 pi by 4 means what? 135. So for that purpose we are subtracting pi by 4 from it. So let us check whether this difference is equals to 3 pi by 4 or not. 4 into pi is 4 pi. 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi by 4. So means after simplifying it we will get 3 pi by 4, means 3 pi by 4 can be written in this form, isn't it? So which is equals to, keep this first term 3 pi by 4 as it is, and we know that cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Theta is how much here? Theta is equal to pi by 4, which is equal to minus into 3 pi by 4 is minus 3 pi by 4, and cos pi by 4 means cos 45 will be equals to how much? 1 by root 2. So which is equal to, in the numerator minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, and in the denominator 4 into root 2 will be equals to what? 4 root 2. In this way we have got the value of x. Now we are finding value of y here, and what is the relation? Y is equal to r sin theta. Again substitute the value of r is equal to 3 pi by 4 sin theta. Theta is how much here? R is 3 by 4 and theta is 3 pi by 4. So 3 by 4, keep it as it is. Sine, again 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. Okay, so which is equals to 3 by 4, keep it as it is. Again use allied angle formulas. Sin pi minus theta will be equals to sin theta. What is theta here? Pi by 4. So let us simplify it. 3 by 4, keep it as it is, and we know that sin pi by 4 means sin 45 will be equals to 1 by root 2. So in the numerator 3 ones are 3, and in the denominator 4 into root 2 is what? 4 root 2. In this way we have got the value of y also. That's why we can say that therefore Cartesian coordinate of point R. What are the Cartesian coordinate? X coordinate is equal to minus 3 upon 4 root 2, and y coordinate is 3 upon 4 root 2. In this way we have got Cartesian coordinate of the given point, and here just simply we can observe that value of theta is 3 pi by 4 means 135. It lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant, and in second quadrant we know that x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is what? Positive. So we are easily able to verify whether our answer is right or wrong. Now let us try to solve the next example, example number 4th. In the fourth example, what is the value of r? It is equals to 1 by 2, and theta is equals to what? 7 pi by 3. So now substitute r is equals to 1 by 2 into cos theta. Theta is 7 pi by 3. So which is equals to 1 by 2, keep it as it is. Now I am simplifying it. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. 60 into 7 means 420. 420 is greater than what? 420 is greater than 360. यहाँ तक क्या हो गया आपका? यहाँ तक का एंगल हो गया 360. 360 plus 60 means we are in which quadrant? First quadrant. So first quadrant means what? 2 pi plus theta. So here it can be written as cos 2 pi plus theta. Theta is how much? Pi by 3. Again check that 3 2s are 6. 6 pi plus 1 pi is 7 pi by 3. So which is equals to 1 by 2, keep it as it is. Cos 2 pi plus theta is equals to cos theta. Theta is how much here? Pi by 3. So 1 by 2, keep it as it is. Cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. So cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be equals to 1 by 4. In this way we have got the value of what? X coordinate. Now we are trying to find out value of y coordinate. So y is equal to r sin theta. So r is how much here? 1 by 2 into sin theta. Again substitute this value of theta is 7 pi by 3. So now here sin 7 pi by 6 can be written as sin 2 pi plus pi by 3. So which is equals to, keep this 1 by 2 as it is, we know that sine 2 pi plus theta is equals to sine theta, theta means what here, pi by 3, keep this 1 by 2 as it is, into sine 60, pi by 3 means 60, will be equals to root 3 by 2. So which is equals to, what we are getting in the numerator, root 3 into 1 is root 3, and in the denominator 2 2s are 4. That's why we can say that Cartesian coordinate of point R. So what is x coordinate here? X coordinate is 1 by 4 and y coordinate is how much? Root 3 by 4. So in this way, using polar coordinate, we are able to find out Cartesian coordinate using this relation between what? Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinate. See, in the question number 2, we are finding polar coordinate of a point whose Cartesian coordinates are given to us. In the last example, polar coordinates are given. We have seen how to find out Cartesian coordinate. Now we are finding Cartesian coordinate. Now we are finding polar coordinate. Cartesian coordinates are given to us. So see the example number first. Now we are solving first example. In the first example, x coordinate is what? Root 2, and y coordinate is also what? Root 2. So here value of x and y are given to us. Now polar coordinate we are denoting by what? R theta. So first let us try to find out value of r. What is the formula to find out r? Under root x square plus y square. Now substitute the value. Under root x means what here? Root 2. So root 2 square plus y is also what? Root 2. So which is equal to under root 2 plus 2, which is equals to root 4. And what is the value of root 4? Root 4 is equal to 2. Means in this way we have got the value of r here. Now to find out the value of theta, check that point lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So point lies in first quadrant. Since point lies in first quadrant, means we can say that theta is nothing but what? Value of theta is in between 0 to 90, means 0 to pi by 2. So here what is the formula? Tan theta is equal to y by x. So replace y by its value root 2, x by its value root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled. What will get? 1, and 1 is nothing but value of what? Tan pi by 4, means tan 45. Isn't it? So comparing both sides, what we can say that theta is equals to 45, means pi by 4. In this way we have got second required value theta. So we can say that therefore polar coordinate of point R. So first write down r means how much? 2, and then write down theta means how much? Pi by 4. In this way we are finding polar coordinate of a point if its Cartesian coordinates are given to us. Now observe the second example. In the second example, so what we can observe here value of value of x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1 by 2. So Cartesian coordinates are given to us. So find out polar coordinate. First find out value of r, applying the formula under root x square plus y square. Now just substitute the value. X means 0 square plus y means square of 1 by 2. Let us simplify it here. Square of 0 is 0, not necessary to write 0, and square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So square root of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. We are not considering both the roots, plus or minus, because r is nothing but what? Distance of the point from the origin. So that's why we are considering only positive root here. So here we can observe that x coordinate is 0, means point lies on y axis, and y coordinate is positive, means point lies on positive direction of y axis. So since point lies on positive y-axis, that's why we can say that theta will be equals to 90 degree, means pi by 2. So therefore polar coordinate of point R. So what are the polar coordinate? Here value of r is 1 by 2 and theta is equals to how much? Pi by 2. In this way we have got the polar coordinate of this point. See, now in the third example, value of x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus root 3. So use the same method to find out value of r, that is under root x square plus y square, means under root x means 1 square plus y means what? Square of minus root 3. So square of minus root 3 is equals to, see what result we will get here. Square of 1 is 1, square of minus root 3 is plus 3, which is equal to root 4, and square root of 4 will be equals to what? 2. In this way we have got the value of r. Once the value of r is known to us, check that point lies in which quadrant. X coordinate is positive and y coordinate is what? Negative, means we can say that point lies in fourth quadrant. So now we are trying to find out value of theta, which lies in between what? Fourth quadrant means in between 270 and 360. So this is the formula to find out value of theta. So replace y by its value minus root 3 and x by its value 1. So which is equal to minus root 3. So which is equal to minus, keep it as it is. But root 3 is nothing but value of tan 60 means pi by 3. Now we are trying to convert this theta in such a way that it lies in between what? 230 and 360. So which is equals to, keep this, we know that fourth quadrant means what? Pi minus 2 pi minus theta. So this minus tan theta can be written as what? Tan 2 pi minus theta. Theta is how much? Pi by 3. This result we are getting applying allied angle formulas. So what we have got here? Again, tan 2 pi minus theta is minus tan theta. This result we are getting applying allied angle formulas. So on this side let us simplify it. So tan, keep it as it is. So take the cross multiplication. 6 pi minus pi means 5 pi. 5 pi by what? 3. So this implies that theta will be equals to, so comparing both sides we can say that theta is equal to 5 pi by 3. So in this way we have got second required value theta. That's why we can say that polar coordinate of this point r. What is the value of r? 2. And what is the value of theta here? 5 pi by 3. In this way we have got polar coordinate of this point. Now let us try to solve the last example. We can observe that x coordinate is 3 by 2 and y coordinate is how much? 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, so now first find out value of r applying this formula. Replace x by its value 3 by 2, keep this square as it is, plus y by its value 3 root 3 upon 2 whole bracket square. Let us simplify it. What is square of 3 by 2? Will be 9 by 4. And here square of 3 is 9 and square of root 3 is 3. 3 9s are 27. So we are getting 27 upon 4. So which is equal to under root 27 plus 9 is 36 upon 4. So 36 upon 4 means what? 9, and square root of 9 is what? 3. In this way we have got the value of r. Now we are trying to find out value of theta. Just check that the point lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So point lies in first quadrant. So therefore tan theta is equals to, what is the formula? Y by x. Replace y by its value 3 root 3 upon 2 and x by its value 3 by 2. So here 3 by 2 and this 3 by 2 will get cancelled. Remaining term is what? Root 3. So but root 3 is nothing but value of what? Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. So tan theta, keep it as it is. Root 3 can be replaced by what? Tan 60 degrees. Comparing both sides we can say that theta is equals to pi by 3. So in this way we have got the value of theta. So we can say that polar coordinate of point r. So what is x? What is the value of r? Root value of r is 3 and value of theta is pi by 3. So in this way we have completed all the 4 examples from question number 2. See, in the question number 3, 2 angles of a triangle are given to us and question is to find out ratio of its sides. So to find out ratio of the side we are applying sine rule. But here 2 angles are given to us. So first let us try to find out third angle of this triangle. So it is given to us that what is given in triangle ABC, A is equal to 45, B is equal to what? 60 degree. So either you are able to write down angle A, or simply capital A in this chapter represents what? Angle A of triangle ABC, capital B represent angle B. In the same way, capital C represent angle C of the triangle. So therefore we can say that A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is equals to what? 180 degree. Now substitute the values. So A will be equals to 45, B is equal to 60, plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Keep it as it is. So this implies that C is equals to 180 degree. Keep it as it is. Here 60 plus 45 is 105. Plus 105 on this side will become minus 105, which implies that C is equal to, what is the difference here? 75 degree. In this way we have got the angle C of this triangle. Once the three angles are known to us, so find out values of their sine, means sine of these three angles, because we are solving the example applying sine rule. So therefore sine A is equals to sine A. What is the value of A? 45 degrees. And what is the value of sine 45 degree? Will be equals to 1 by root 2. Now find out value of sine B is equals to sine B is equal to 60 degrees, and we know that sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. And lastly, let us try to find out value of sine C will be equals to sine. What is the value of C here? 75 degrees. Now see the method to find out value of sine 75 degree. 75 degree, can I write it as 30 degree plus 45 degree? So which is equals to, now it is in the form of sine A plus B. And what is the formula of sine A plus B? Sine A means sine 30 into cos B. B means what? 45 plus cos A. A is what here? 30 into sine B. B is how much here? 45. Just we have applied which formula? Sine A plus B is equal to sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. So which is equal to sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and sine 45 is 1 by 2. Check whether denominator of both the terms are same. 2 root 2, 2 root 2. Here sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Since denominators are same, that's why we are taking addition of numerator. What is numerator here? 1, and here numerator is root 3 into 1 is root 3. In this way we have got the value of sine C. So now by sine rule, we are finding our required value. What we have to find out? Ratio of three sides. Sides of triangle ABC we are denoting by what? Small a, small b, small c. And by sine rule we can say that A is to B is to C is equal to what? Sine A is to sine B is to sine C. Already we have written different forms of sine rule. Sine rule in one form, sine rule can be written as A is to B is to C is equal to sine A is to sine B is to sine C. So which is equal to, already the value of sine A is known to us. What is its value? 1 by root 2. What is the value of sine B? Sine B is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, and value of sine C is equal to 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Now if you does not want the fractions here, so you are able to multiply to all the terms by LCM of denominator. What is LCM of root 2, 2 and 2 root 2? Easily we can observe that their LCM is what? 2 root 2. Just I am multiplying to each term by 2 root 2 because these are what? Ratio. And to write down the ratio in the simplest form, we are able to multiply to each term by any number, or we are able to divide to each term by any number. If I am multiplying here by 2 root 2, root 2 will get cancelled, and what is remaining term? 2. If I am multiplying here by 2 root 2, 2 will get cancelled, and root 2 into root 3 is how much? Root 6. And if I am multiplying here by 2 root 2, 2 root 2 will get cancelled, and here remaining term is 1 plus root 3. In this way we have got the ratio of three sides of this triangle, and question is also to find out what? The ratio of its sides, means ratio of three sides of a triangle.